Welcome to V8X, the cinematic world of machines where every ride has a heartbeat. Before we begin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because what you're about to witness isn't just a review, it's an experience. Today, we dive into the Harley Davidson 2025 Red Edition, a masterpiece born in the USA, built for those who live for the road, not the rules. The first glance is enough to stop time. Standing tall under natural sunlight, the Harley's glossy red body gleams against the open-air glass showroom floor. The front view reveals that signature round headlight, fierce, iconic, and instantly recognizable. Move closer and every reflection on its chrome speaks of precision. It doesn't pretend to be powerful, it simply is. From the right side, the massive chrome exhaust and bold V-twin engine dominate the frame, a sculpted display of raw engineering. The left view tells another story, smooth lines flowing from the tank to the seat, the Harley emblem shining proudly like a badge of honor. Behind it, the rear view captures the strength of its wide tire and the glow of its taillight, pulsing like a heartbeat in the sun. Then there's the top-down view, where design becomes art, handlebars, tank, and seat aligned in perfect geometry. It's not just a bike, it's a moving sculpture made to reflect personality, power, and pride. Now imagine taking that first seat. The leather saddle hugs you in comfort. You grip the bars, feel the cold steel, and then press the ignition. The V-twin engine awakens with a deep rumble that rolls through your chest. It's not just noise, it's the soul of Harley Davidson roaring to life. On the road, the Harley Davidson 2025 Red feels cinematic. The wind slicing through the air, sunlight bouncing off chrome, the sound of freedom echoing behind you. It's smooth yet aggressive, elegant yet unapologetically bold. Each gear's shift feels deliberate. Every rev connects you deeper to the machine. This isn't a bike for everyone. It's for the ones who crave emotion in motion, who believe that speed means nothing without soul. Wherever it goes, eyes follow. Wherever it stops, silence falls. Because this machine doesn't chase attention, it owns it. In the USA, this Harley Davidson 2025 Red Edition starts around $22,000 to $25,000. And every dollar buys not just power, but personality, that feeling of control, pride, and unmatched freedom. As the camera fades, sunlight hits the tank, reflections ripple on the glass floor, and the Harley stands as it always has, timeless, proud, unstoppable. This is more than a review. This is Harley. This is cinematic motion. This is V8X. Subscribe now, because your next ride deserves to sound this legendary.